So today is day 5 of my salon suite remakeover, and I'm feeling really good today. Like, I'm in high spirits. God is working with me. Like, things are just in my favor. I can feel it. I'm manifesting it. So we've painted this suite. We got everything moved in. All I'm doing now is decorating and organizing. I cannot wait to get in there and decorate and organize because, like, that's my thing. Before we go up to the suite, my car is absolutely disgusting right now, so I'm gonna go get it washed and then go get me some boba and then head up to the suite and get it going. So, come on.
A few moments later.
Can I do the cocoa cream wow? Can I do it in a large, please? I kind of look bald-headed. This pimple on my face. This pimple on my face is going to be the death of me. Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm honestly dying of a heat stroke right now. It's so hot. If you're thinking about moving to Texas, 10 out of 10 do not recommend. Look at how beautiful she is. So this is not tiger sugar, but she'll do. LOL! Oh shit. Oh my god! Alright. Oh, I just spilled. Oh my god. Well, on our way to the suite. We're in the suite. So I have this light that I need to set up. I gotta get my cart organized. Get some of these boxes out of here. I also have an entire black bag full of equipment. And we're gonna get this plant set up. So I also need to put some stuff in these drawers. We got lots to do. A lot. Okay, I'm thinking about just turning the leaves the other direction. It looks a lot better. A lot better. I'm gonna have to move her over here. Yeah, we're gonna move her over here. I'm gonna go ahead and unpack these bags and pull out these products and see what I got. So here I have everything that I need to lash. This is all the supplies that I purchased. Got my dental bibs. I think this is a blanket. Oh my gosh. It's a clip mirror for your ring light. My sterilization tray. I got a budget book. I have my Alexa. The thing to go around my bed. Some extra of these hydro jelly pads. These are gonna go in my aftercare kits, so I think I need to bring this back home because I'm making those tonight. I have my organizer tray, glue storage. Oh my gosh, this is my face mirror. So cute, sparkly. I wish you could see it. And then this is my acetone. Oh, it's cute. It's right over here. And I got my glue shaker. Some lip applicators and spoolies, and then another clip. And we got our beautiful pillow and the ring light. So I don't know where to start. I feel overwhelmed. I think I'm gonna set up the ring light, put all the stuff that's supposed to be on the ring light, and then organize most of the stuff in those bins. I also got this light from Amazon. It's like a glam core light, and this part actually was very frustrating. It took me forever to figure out how to get the cord through the light because it was getting caught halfway. So by the time I was done with the light, I had to go. But I got my light set up, put up my plant, and got my car washed. So the day was overall a success.
Easy!
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, bye.